They got these cameras on me again, mama.
Welcome back. Welcome back. Alright, y'all. Today we got a special one for you, man. Got a Jordan 6 in hand. This is the Jordan 6 Yellow Ochre. Like I told you in a previous video, Yellow Ochre seems to be like what Jordan brand is doing this year. Like it's their color of choice. I like this shoe. I'm a fan of the Carmine 6, which I don't own, but that color blocking is infused in these. I think they did a good job. Yellow and black is a fire color. It's definitely gonna look good for the spring and the summer. It's a comfortable shoe. I would say it's true to size. So let's take a look at them. It's synthetic leather, so you know how that feels. If you're a shoe head, it's still gonna pass as very good quality leather. It has synthetic suede going down for the yellow. It's pretty cool, feels good in hand. The bottoms, I think the Jordan 6 has probably got the best bottoms on all the Jordans. It's real unique. That tongue is very unique. Perforated holes in there. That rubberish feel. This lace lock is unique. It's famous for having this little clip-on patch with the Jumpman. Gives it a real dope look. Different from other Jordans. On your backside, you got your Jordan Air with your pull handle. Not really a tab, but a pull handle. This one right here is a clean pair of shoes, man. I think Jordan did their thing on it. Yeah. If you look at these, the holes on the side, I don't know if that supplies air to your foot or not, but they are Air Jordans, so you never know. I got some on the foot vid for you guys to check out, and just do your kid a favor, man. Like, comment, subscribe. More videos on the way, and like that, I'm out.
can have it, I know he's working, breaking havoc, we got the big guns, automatics, know if he tries, she dead. I got a model, she giving me head, I'd rather be out making money instead. I'll pay all my dues, I don't got no debts, I heard that he died, we pay respect.
Surrounded by beautiful women, she with the Beamer is tinted. I need like 2 of her children, actually flew with a Venice. She paid for a ticket, she too independent, yeah. Paying respect for that pussy, she different. I had to go out and get it. I know Sandra was tripping, but look at me, now yeah, I did it. Girl, you was on my first tour with me, when the world knew me by Jimmy. Now I run a 6 in my sleep, but I did more than blow up in my city. OB on gang me right at your head. You fucking with me, you ain't right in the head. Said I got tombstones for your head, yeah. Go ahead and tell me you dead.
Don't wait for me, fast cars, I'ma ride. Don't hate on me, I got voices in my mind. Don't play with me, I got guns, I don't fight. Don't pray for me, I got God, I'll be fine. Yeah, she wanna break it, she can have it, I know he's working, breaking havoc, we got the big guns, automatics, know if he tries, she dead. I got a model, she giving me head, I'd rather be out making money instead. I'll pay all my dues, I don't got no debts, I heard that he died, we pay respect. Yeah, freeway itself, I don't wanna see no one in jail. Hope you know that I'm paying your bill, I ain't even collecting my mail. But from running around throwing dices, into making millions on my island. It's only private, I'm flying, why the fuck would you think that I'm lying? I've been making my money in silence, I've been showing myself when they're hiding. I took every chance I had and made